Hey, good morning, guys. Good morning. Hopefully, y'all can hear me. All right, so check it out. Again, if you seen the video yesterday, basically it's the same thing. Always look at the 15-minute time frame. Also look at the daily time frame. If you look right here, the daily time frame is bearish. I mean bullish. So I'm gonna look for nothing but buys. All right, and I'm gonna write on here if the daily go back if the daily time frame is bullish. All right, only look for buys in the market. All right, that's what we're gonna do. Only look for buys in the market. Let's move that over here. All right. So then, basically, what I do is like I said yesterday, but we're gonna iterate again today. If you go to vertical, vertical line by Chris Chapman, and we'll look in here. You can go to vertical line by Unknown Unicorn. You just click on that, it'll come up. And again, what I do is, and I just keep it simple. I use two indicators, with three indicators, and I keep it simple. I'm gonna go over it again today. But from right here, what you do is you don't need these two. You basically mark off the 9 and the 930, and you make them, whatever color you want to make them. Make the line thickness down here. All right. So basically, it basically marks off the opening. See if you look at 9 and 930, and then I look at the highs and lows between there, and then what I do. So let's replay it. All right. We go forward. See, it automatically populates by itself. All right, automatically populates by itself. All right, boom. What I do is I just mark off this and this, and then what I do, and let's just move some of these off of here so you can see. All right, and so what I do, I don't need this one. All right, so this one I also use too. I'm sorry. I also use Darvis box. All right, so I look buy and sell signal. You don't need these two. All right, and then keep it, length. I got it at 5, and also I use the trim meter. So I use basically the vertical lines to mark it off, auto populate by itself, and then I use the trend meter, like I said, and then the Darvis box. Trend meter, you can just let me go over here so you can see it. All right, so trend meter by LIJMC. All right, and so this is basically what I do every single day. Sometimes it don't populate like it's supposed to. Populate the way I like it to go. See, like yesterday, I left it alone because it wasn't in my box. I leave it alone. If there's some major news and it hits before, I just leave. I don't mess with it normally doing news because it's kind of crazy. So my three indicators, what I look for, my three confirmations, what I look for it to break this opening. All right, here I see a buy, and I see the daily time frame as well. Like I said, the daily time frame was bullish. I see this green dot right here. I also see the buy. So that is confirmation for me to go for at least 100 points. All right. And I normally take 100 points. I'm in and out of market within about at least an hour. And let's let this play out. All right. Boom. You see it hit. All right. It's playing out. Boom. So within a matter of, I jump in here at 9:30, which is 8:30 my time because I'm Central Standard Time, but 9:30 if you're on the Eastern, and then you're out by 10:30. So it took about an hour, all right, to get that. So right here, if you use, like I said, the standard lot, you made $1,000 within an hour, or if you use the regular lot, you made 100 within an hour. All right, so pretty much, again, that's pretty much plain and cut and dry what I do. And every day I just go over the same thing, and you can look at my other videos to see the previous day. All right, again, like I said, we're gonna go over. I use the Darvis box. You can go in here and type Darvis. All right, buy and sell by this guy right here. All right, K Hun. All right, and when you go in there, you look at style. You can do that, but it's just too much for me. If you put the T boxes in there, I just use buy and sell signal. I use the vertical line by Chris Chapman. And then once you go in there, you can plot the first two. You don't need the second three, second two, 9 o'clock and 9:30. All right. And then if you look right here, the trend meter, you can go in here again, type in trend meter, LIJMC. All right. And let's go back again. Let's go back again. It auto populates by itself. All right. Right here, boom, you block it off. Normally I wait for it to break. Since it did break, it didn't really break right here, but since I seen the daily, the daily was bullish. I keep saying bearish. It was bullish. Go down to the 15-minute. I'm looking for only buys. And since my trend meter had a green dot, buy, it was a strong, pretty much candle. I jumped in for 100 points. All right. Boom, boom, boom. So about an hour. So actually it hit right here. So about 30 minutes it actually hit. Boom. And then you're done for the day. So that's pretty much my video, guys. Every single day, you can pretty much find these trades almost every single day, unless there's some major news. Like this afternoon, there's some news. That's not my actual time frame to trade, so I'll be out the market. I won't be trading that. I normally like to look at this due to my schedule. It's the perfect time for me to trade. And as you can see, I noticed that when there's no news, it actually plays out very well. So as you can see, it's still going up. Even if you were to stay in it, you typically made about, it went up about, you can go 1.5, which is 150 points. Right now, currently is at about 163 points. All right, that's if you wanted to keep letting it ride up. All right, me personally, I get my 100 points and I get out. Other than that, I hope you guys and gals have a blessed day. All right, and we out of here.